What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
Game of bushes. Game of bushes.
Yo guys, what is up? It's Flame. Come back to another video. Now, I haven't done a video like this in a while. I'm joined by my brothers. And I haven't done a video like this in a while, like I said. So you probably know, you might know what I'm talking about. We are going to be exploring a new alleyway that we found out to see, you know, it might be abandoned. We never know. There could be some dangerous stuff there. Also, guys, you guys showed a lot of support on my montages. My first one, Ransom, got 100. It's like on 100 views, and my other one's on 80. So obviously, you guys like the montages. So I'm definitely gonna be doing more montages. And also, my brother there, Rave, he has been making some weird videos lately, so I'm gonna be watching them. So yeah, probably tomorrow, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna be reacting to my little bro's new videos.
And guys, also check me out.
Apparently he's been doing like paranormal videos. He did a video where he sits on the bath, and that got him 100 views. That's more than my yeah, he made a video where he sat on the toilet, which got him like 150 views, more than my montage, and that's not acceptable, boys. So I'm gonna be reacting to it and see how he got so many views. Like, he's getting way too many. But anyway, no more talking, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, we are just at the corner of the abandoned alleyway. So again, I got my brothers here. So we are about to go into, sorry if the light is quite bad because of the sun.
Yeah.
So guys, we are about to go into the alley.
So we go to the other alleyway.
Nah, that one, yeah guys,
It has bones in it.
one time guys, it was an old video I made, and basically I found Slender Man in it. It had like those posters and paper and stuff on the like walls, but I can't find it. I think I deleted it. It was a really good video. I found Slender Man posters like when we were playing hide and seek, didn't we guys? We just randomly found them. But anyway, that video, it doesn't matter now because now we're going to a new alleyway. So let's do this. Alright guys, so the alleyway is just here. As you can see, there's some garages.
Houses.
What do you think is gonna happen, bro?
I don't know.
Rave, what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know. Like, also, there's this bush you
There
can
it is,
climb.
guys.
There's this bush you can
Okay,
climb.
guys, we gotta be careful with that.
Wait, stop. Before we go, I want to see the bush.
Nick, come back, come back. Shh. I hear people talking. Is that from the alleyway? Did you just hear that?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, that was just a bang. Shh, shh. Come back, come back, come back. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
Game of bushes. Game of bushes.
Guys, oh my gosh, Nick. Guys, we just walked in the freaking alleyway, and when I turned the corner, I saw a shadow. I don't know if it was another person, because if it was, that would have been pretty weird for them. They'll be like, what the heck is running? But I'm pretty sure it wasn't a human, because I also heard a sound. It wasn't just
It was like a ball being thrown.
No, yeah, it was like, that's what it sounded like, but it wasn't just like a normal sound. It was like really weird. I'll put that back in slow motion if you guys heard that. Like, that was so weird. What the heck? That was freaking... I don't know if we should go back. Should we go back, guys?
Yeah, I'm going.
Why? That just happened though. We found it. There's something there. Holy crap. The frick is that? It just came out the alleyway. Now, if you think that's a cat, that is not a cat.
No, it's not.
What is that? No,
Oh, but
it's just a cat.
it looks
That's so strange. Like, that's
It was
such
hiding in bushes.
That's such a coincidence. How? Wait, but that cat's black, and that's like bad luck. And plus, we just heard something really weird.
It's kind
So, yeah, that's look. Wait, it's looking at something. Yeah, this is sketch. Let's get out of here before that cat starts being weird. You guys, I don't think we should return back here. Do you guys? That was insane. We can't do that again,
The cat
guys.
came out of the bushes.
Yeah. You guys, so we've been walking for a while, but it's really weird. This car, it keeps following us. But it's like a black car because we just stopped to take a break because we were running, and we stopped to take a break, and the car also stopped, and now we're walking again, and it's right behind us. Wait. Frick, run! What the frick? Somebody just got out the car. No, guys, come on, guys. What the frick? Guys, they're going back in the car. They go back. Stay here. What the frick? What the frick? Why would a car want to chase us when we've just been in an abandoned alley? Maybe that was trespassing and we weren't allowed to go in it. Maybe. Is it there? There's nothing there. Yeah, so why would they want to chase us? Wait, I see people. No, there's people. Run. Alright, guys, I am back at my house after running for so long. And guys, remember, tomorrow is my reaction to my brother, because that was sketchy. I'm not doing that again tomorrow. Tomorrow will just be like chill reacting to my brother. And yeah, guys, we nearly did this, so make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so you know when I post a new video, and maybe a video just like this. So yeah, peace.
Peace.